Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about check button widget in Tkinter. Check button widget is a label checkbox for entering Boolean data. Its arguments are tags. This argument sets the label for the widget and variable. This argument is Boolean var to which the check status is bound. We also have text variable. This can be used to bind a variable to the label text of the widget. Let's see how to use it. First, I'm going to import Tkinter as tk. Tkinter as tk. And then from Tkinter import ttk. And now I'm going to create an instance and name it GUI from tk.tk. And now I'm going to set my Boolean variable, or create my Boolean variable by using tk dot Boolean var. And now I'm going to create an instance of a check button. Check button equals ttk dot check button, and inside text value set to check this. And our variable value is set to our Boolean var, Boolean underscore var. And now I'm going to use check button dot pack, and now we are going to start our GUI, calling GUI dot main loop, and just need to save our program and run. And when we run our program, here is our check button, and we can check this button over here. You can see the message, check this, and we can check. This way you can use a check button with the Tkinter in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.